Good morning, students. Today we are starting question 6th of exercise 6.3. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get perfect square. Also find square root of perfect square so obtained. So see, first number is 252. As you know, last number is 2, so it is not a perfect square. First we will do prime factorization of 252. You know, 2 डिवाइड करो, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 2 ज़ा 4. अब इसके नीचे अगर 4 है, 1 बचेगा, 1 और 2 12, तो 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 3 ज़ा 6. ओरल डिवीजन करते जाएंगे. 6 और 3 63, 3 के टेबल में 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 1 ज़ा 3. 21 कब आता है? 3 7 ज़ा 21, 7 1 ज़ा 7. नाउ यू नो दैट इट मीन्स दैट व्हाट आर द फैक्ट 252 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या हुआ? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 7. 2 पेयर में है, 3 पेयर में है, but 7 is not in pair. So you will write as 7 is unpaired. इसका कोई पेयर में नहीं है, इसका एक फ्रेंड नहीं है ना, तो we will divide 252 by 7. When you will divide 252 by 7, 7 3 are 21, 4 बचेगा 42, 7 6 are 42, 36. So 36, 7 is the number by which we will divide 252 to get a perfect square. और जब हमने डिवाइड किया 36, they have also asked also find square root of square number so obtain. तो अब हमारा स्क्वायर नंबर क्या है? 36. हम इसकी भी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके 2 18 ज़ा 2 9 ज़ा 18, 3 3 ज़ा 9 and 3 1 ज़ा 3. So you know that square root of, दिस इज साइन ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 क्या हुआ? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. पेयर्स में है, इसका मतलब क्या है? 2 का स्क्वायर इंटू 3 स्क्वायर. कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दिस विल कैंसिल. सो 2 इंटू 3 यू विल गेट 6. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 इज 6. नाउ सेम वे वी विल do our second part. Second part is 2925. पीछे 5 है. This means this number is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 42, 5 8s are 40, 25, 5 5s are 25. Do practice of oral division. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. यहाँ 5 अगर हो, you will get 3, 35, 5 7s are 35. Now 1 1 7, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. सबका सम क्या आ रहा है? 9. डिविजिबल बाय 3, तो ये 3 के टेबल में डिवाइड होगा. 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 9 ज़ा 27. अगेन डिविजिबल बाय 3, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 3 ज़ा 9. बट 13 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, किसी टेबल में नहीं जाता. सो 13 1 ज़ा 13. नाउ prime factorization of this number is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13, and we see that 13 is unpaired. So as 13 is unpaired, now 13 is unpaired, so divide 2925 by 13 and you get it 225. So 225 is a square number. Find its prime factorization. 225, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 225, square root of 225, 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So we get 5 square and 3 square. इसका ये जो square root होता है, this means the power is half. So this cancels and we get 5 into 3, 15. So square root of 225 is 15. Is it clear? So 13 is the number by which we have to divide it to get a square number. Square number is 225 and square root of 225 is 15. Is it clear? So now we move to sixth part. Third, fourth, fifth, try yourself. Now 1620. Same way. Do the prime factorization. 2 8s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 नहीं जाएगा 0, 2 5s are 10. Last number is 5, 5 से divide करो, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Now 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So you get prime factorization of 1620, 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 in 4 times 3. 1 2 3 4. Is it clear? So 2 ka pair, this is pair of 3, this is pair of 3, but we have not got the pair of 5. 5 is unpaired. So we will write as 5 is unpaired. Therefore, we will divide 1620 by 5. हम ये 5 हट ही जाए, delete हो जाए, तो we will get a square number. And when we divide 1620 by 5, we will get 5 3s are 15 and 12, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. That is 324. So 324 is a square number. When now we have to find square root of 324. Also 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2 divide, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3 27s are, 3 3s 9s are. Now 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So when you will write square root of 324 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, what you will get? These 2 का भी square है, pairing है, 3 की भी, इस 3 की भी. So 3 square, 3 square. You will cut by under root. You will get square root of 324 is 2 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 18. So we get the two answers, that 5 is the number by which we will divide it to get square number, and square root of the number 324 is 18. 5 and 18 are the answer. In this way you will do all the parts. Thank you. Have a nice day.